What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing PC Building Simulator, and so this guy says, let me. So this job, I have to remove the virus, and so here I have the virus scanner app installed. I click on that. Holy crap, that's a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, boom. That dude will take his computer, and I'm gonna go ahead and collect the money. Ooh, yay. Okay, so all I have to do for this job is to clean out some dust. Okay, so the PC is coming. So what I gotta do is I press end day, and then I wake up this morning. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Ew, what type of PC is this? Let's check the specs. Oh, 1050, dang. So what I do is I head to my install menu, I choose compressed air, and I just, so now we're gonna get the GPU, the case fans, the dust filter. Now we're gonna get the CPU cooler, the motherboard. Boom. Now let's make sure there are no cables I have to put in. Now what I do is I take this USB drive, I shove it in there. So now that I have that in, I can put the side panel on, which yeet. Okay, now we press the little cables button down here, and I'm gonna drag that in there. Connect the graphics card, plug in the power supply unit, connect that to the motherboard, and now powered on. You know what? I'm gonna overclock his GPU for him, just for fun, you know? Okay, so let me. Aw, dang it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the settings and boot device, yeah. RAM speed, how do I edit that? That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna roll 6. Okay, now system. Now hopefully if I press P, that saves that, and I go back into the BIOS. Now oop. Let's hope I don't get a blue screen. Okay, boom, I overclocked his RAM for him, so now his computer is actually better, so I'm gonna go ahead and collect the money from that. Sure, I'm gonna reject these, and I need to pay the rent. Discard that. Boop. Okay, so now I shall head up here, and I press end day. Boom, we have he probably tried to overclock his PC and did it wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna open it first. So he has a 1050. Okay, those are actually some decent specs. Ooh, I think I know what it is. I think his stuff is that's pretty good specs, but let's see what his PSU is. Okay, can I like somehow see the wattage on that? Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to guess. So I have all of the cables plugged in. Now I'm gonna install the OS. Press P. No CP. That's weird. I'm gonna apply some thermal paste. If any like actual PC part builders see this, please comment what I'm doing wrong. Error, no CPU found. Setting, so it's trying to boot. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and factory reset it. That might be it. Here, no CPU found. Let me think real quick and see what that could be. So I think I'm gonna see how the CPU is doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna press I. There's the problem. So I'm gonna get a quad core. Okay, let's go ahead and order him a new CPU. So add to cart. Oh my gosh, that's expensive. Now it is CPU installation time. So I think he must have like bent the pins or something on the CPU. No, I don't. Oop. Bam. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put on this. Eat, and I am gonna put on the side panel. Now this should fix it. Boom. That was easy. Yeet. I don't know where I'm going. Why am I... Oh, I think I forgot to install a part. Oh. You know what really gets me a lot of the times? It must be like PCIe lock or... No, what is it missing? Oh! It's missing the CPU cooler. Now, where the heck is my... Yeah, I forgot to plug that into the motherboard too. And I need to connect the case fan and connect another case fan. Huh. This should be easy. Bam. Ka-ching. This is where I'm gonna end the video, and if you would like to play this game, it's called PC Building Simulator. It's really fun. Bye. Wait, I wonder. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna end my video. Peace out, guys. Like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe. That's all you could share the video, but like and subscribe.